Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card, a great option for those looking to build or rebuild credit while still earning valuable cashback rewards. This secured card is designed to help you establish good credit habits, all while giving you the flexibility to choose your highest cashback category. We'll break down the advantages, the disadvantages, and I'll give you my final rating out of 10. Let's jump in. Advantages. First, good point. 3% cash back on a category of your choice. One of the best features of the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Card is the ability to earn 3% cash back in a category you choose. Options include gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement. This flexibility lets you focus on the area where you spend the most and maximize your rewards. Second good point. 2% cash back on groceries and wholesale clubs. In addition to your chosen 3% category, you'll earn 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs on combined purchases up to $2,500 each quarter. This is perfect for everyday spending, making it easy to rack up cash back on essential purchases. Third good point, 1% cash back on all other purchases. For all other purchases, you'll earn 1% cash back, ensuring that every dollar you spend helps you earn rewards, whether it's small daily transactions or bigger expenses. Fourth good point, build or rebuild credit. Since this is a secured card, you'll be required to make a security deposit, usually starting at $300, that serves as your credit limit. By using the card responsibly and paying your bill on time, you'll be able to build or rebuild your credit score over time, which is crucial for future financial opportunities. Fifth good point, no annual fee. The card comes with no annual fee, which is a big advantage for a secured card, allowing you to focus on building credit without worrying about an added yearly cost. Sixth good point, possible upgrade to an unsecured card. As you demonstrate good credit habits over time, Bank of America may graduate you to an unsecured card and return your deposit. This provides a path to better credit card options as you build your credit. Seventh good point, access to Bank of America's preferred rewards. Once your financial profile grows, you may be eligible for Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program, where you can boost your cash back by 25% to 75% depending on your tier, making the card even more rewarding in the long term. Disadvantages. First downside, requires a security deposit. Since this is a secured card, you'll need to make an upfront security deposit, starting at $300. Which will act as your credit limit. For some people, this might feel like a drawback compared to unsecured cards, but it's a necessary step if you're looking to build or rebuild credit. Second downside, cashback limits on 3% and 2% categories. The 3% and 2% cashback categories are limited to a combined $2,500 in spending each quarter. Once you hit this cap, you'll earn 1% cashback for the rest of the quarter. While this limit is decent for a secured card, heavy spenders may find this restrictive. Third downside, no rewards boost until preferred rewards. While the card offers solid cash back, you won't get the 25% to 75% boost on your rewards until you qualify for preferred rewards, which requires maintaining a high balance with Bank of America. This may not be feasible for someone just starting to rebuild their credit. Final rating. So, is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card worth it? If you're looking to build or rebuild credit while still earning cashback rewards, this card is an excellent choice. The ability to earn 3% cashback in a category of your choice, 2% on groceries and 1% on everything else, all with no annual fee, makes it highly competitive for a secured card. However, the security deposit requirement and the cashback limits may feel restrictive to some. Overall, I'd give this card a 7.8 out of 10. Perfect for those starting out or rebuilding credit, but there are more rewarding options once you graduated to an unsecured card.